to take them up and do some more.
That's right. As soon as Gigi says it's okay, all right?
Is it okay, Gigi?
1 second. I'm going to put them on the paper here.
Does that taste good, Ava? Uh-oh.
Okay.
All right, make another cookie. Oh, wait till Gigi does this one. Is it falling apart?
No, it's okay. We're going to have to put some sprinkles on. Okay.
All right, do another cookie cutter, Aiden. You can you reach it? There you go. Very good, Aiden.
Oh, a bell.
Yeah, but is it enough cookie right there?
Yeah, looks like it.
Good job, Aiden.
Oh, dough too soft. Okay, we're going to have to...
I did it.
Isn't there some more in the fridge?
Yeah, this is too soft.
Does it cook differently if it's too soft?
No, it's just you can't get it off. See how it moves?
Yeah. Push it hard. Oh, you gonna take it off for Gigi? Wait, Aiden.
Wait.
Did they just make another touchdown?
No. They almost did, but it was called for holding.
Wait, Aiden.
It's really too soft. We'll put some sprinkles on these. Okay, do another one. That's okay. Maybe I'll roll it closer to them.
Yeah, so he doesn't have to reach over. Don't eat the dough, Aiden. Not yet. You gotta wait till you cook it. All right, back up.